So Alex and I are actually gonna be house and cat sitting. So let's do a very quick try on. How fun is the floral design on this blouse? So hopefully we'll be able to get an adapter. Rye is like digging in her litter box right now and being quite dramatic. We're here to hang out with you. Hi, good morning. We're here to hang out with you. Oh, thank you. So Alex and I are actually going to be house and cat sitting for my brother and Sam for the next 2 nights. And today is just like the absolute most beautiful day. It's still winter over here, but it's like 50 degrees, which is really nice change. And yeah, we're just gonna like hang out and chill. We have the day off, so we don't really have anything that we need to do. We're just hanging out. We're gonna maybe watch a movie. We have to go get some firewood so that we can make a fire later. So we're gonna start with that. This is the very casual hangar, helicopter hangar. There's not a helicopter in it, but that's what it was built for. So I actually got some new clothes recently and I brought them with so that I could share them with you. So let's do a very quick try on. How fun is the floral design on this blouse? So pretty much most of the items that I got, no, all of the items that I got are all blouses with different like patterns and colors. I really love the whole high-waisted jean and with like a blouse, a flowy blouse kind of like tucked in. And I wanted to add a lot more like color and pattern to my wardrobe. So that is why I chose this particular one. And I am just like, this might be actually, I may have started with my favorite one. So this is another one that's not too colorful, but brings a lot of fun pattern and like vibrancy to the fit. I'm pretty obsessed with like black polka dots. Not usually the like symmetrical perfect circle type polka dot, but more of like a spotted pattern I really love and gravitate towards. So I felt like this one needed to come be with me, and so it is. So I didn't only get like the florals and patterns, I also got a couple solids just to have as basics, but then I got them in like nice colors. I love emerald green, so this one was really nice. These clothes are really more for like spring. I'm excited for spring. Rye is like digging in her litter box right now and being quite dramatic. I don't know if you can hear that. I got that exact same top in pink as well because I just really gravitate towards this color. And I think it's really nice that if you have a basic that you like, to have it in multiple colors. I definitely dress in that way. So this one is awfully wrinkly, but I also just got a long sleeve white basic. I mean, I don't feel like you can go wrong with that. And I really love the texture of this shirt a lot. So I also got it in black, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, these are not really warm enough for winter. I started saying this before. These are more for spring. I'm getting very excited for springtime, and these are giving me lots of life. But there's one more I want to show you. Look at how fun the color is on this one. This one was like a little bit more bold. I didn't know if I would love it once it arrived and I saw it in person. But I'm happy to report that I think it's fun. Just bringing that like color and vibrancy and like life. I mean, like, it's so pretty and vibrant. I like this one a lot. This was my first time ever ordering from Shein. I had heard other people share about them, so I checked them out and then I found things that I really liked, so I put it in order. These patterned tops and this one aren't the world's best material of all time. But they were really inexpensive, so that's kind of to be expected. Got a little slow drive-by. They're looking at the lake. But these four solids that I got are a much nicer like texture and quality to the fabric that I'm really happy with. So I'm actually pleased with all of these pieces. I thought I would just like order some, try them on, and send back what I didn't like. But I kept everything except for one. I sent one back that I didn't love. It was just not, the pattern wasn't as cute as I was hoping it would be. I also just recently put in a clothing order with ThredUp. I haven't ordered with them in many years, and that's in the mail now. So I'm really excited for those clothes to show up. There's one or two more sweaters in that bunch that I can wear as we're winding down winter, but pretty much I'm like getting my spring and summer wardrobe ready. I'm ready. So I got changed into comfy clothes because we're gonna watch a movie now. We went to set up watching a movie. And my brother's TV, they haven't used it yet because they actually don't have Wi-Fi here at this house yet. Long story, they've lived here for like 2 or 3 months. Anyway, their TV has a 3-prong plug, but all of their outlets are 2-prong. So we looked it up on Lowe's and we can go get like a little adapter. So hopefully we'll be able to get an adapter. Otherwise we won't be able to watch the movies we planned on watching today. And we were really looking forward to that. So let's go see if we can get the right like adapter. think we found what we need. This should be able to work. 2-prong to 3-prong. Didn't even know that existed. Problem solved, hopefully. All right, we just ended up buying a couple because I'm sure my brother's gonna run into this problem again. So now he can have a couple on hand to help solve that issue for him. Okay, let's try this. Why is it not going together more? Oh, there we go. Should work. TV's on and it works. Pepper's pretty happy about it, right? You wanna watch a movie? Okay. Are you guys excited to eat dinner? Yes, we're very excited. Okay, who's ready? Come on. Come on. There's one and there's the other. There you go.